engineers. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Rahul, and today in this video we are going to discuss topic gate wall. So please watch this video till end, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Gate walls are used to shut off the flow of liquid rather than for flow regulation. Means gate wall is not used for controlling any flow, rather it is just used for on off purpose like shut off or shut on, like this. Gate walls are mostly used with larger pipe diameters from 2-inch to the largest pipeline, since they are less complex to construct than other types of wall in large size. Common gate walls are actuated by threaded stem that connects to the actuator. For example, hand wheel or motor to the gate. Means the gate is connected with the stem or it is threaded with stem. Gate wall opens when handle rotates clockwise direction, whereas closes when handle rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Based on the rotation of the direction of this gate wall, it gets open and close. Gate wall should not be used for throttling. Means we cannot throttle the flow of any by using gate wall. Instead, we are using this gate wall for shut off and shut down purpose. A partially open gate might seriously harm the wall because of turbulence. Hence, we don't throttle the flow through the gate walls. Gate walls are classified as either rising stem or non-rising stem walls. So in this picture, we have shown non-rising stem gate wall. The stem is threaded into the gate. As the handwheel of the stem is rotated, the gate travels up or down to the stem on the threads, while the stem remains vertically stationary. Partially open gate can cause extreme damage to the wall due to turbulence. Another type of gate wall is rising stem gate wall. In this picture, we have shown you rising stem gate wall. When it is a critical situation to know once whether a wall is open or closed, or where the fluid contaminants could damage the export threads. So in this scenario, we use the rising stem gate wall so that we can easily identify whether the gate wall is open or closed, and we cannot harm the stem because of fluid contaminants. So thank you friends. If you like this content and if you want more informative videos like this, please comment below in this comment section. I will try to make videos on that topic. Thank you.